Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to attach Trust Wallet with NFTs. First, ensure your Trust Wallet app is installed and set up on your mobile device. You'll need to have some cryptocurrency, like Ethereum, in your wallet to cover potential transaction fees. This process involves linking your wallet to a compatible NFT marketplace or platform. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth connection. To link your wallet, open Trust Wallet and tap the D-App browser icon. In the browser, type the URL of your chosen NFT marketplace, such as OpenSea, and press Enter. Once the marketplace loads, look for a Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Select Trust Wallet from the list of available options to establish the connection securely. After selecting Trust Wallet, a prompt will appear asking for your approval to connect. Review the details and confirm the connection within your Trust Wallet app. Once approved, your NFT collection associated with that wallet address will typically be visible on your profile page within the marketplace. You can then view, list, or transfer your digital assets. Always double-check the URL of any marketplace before connecting your wallet to prevent phishing attempts. Never share your Trust Wallet recovery phrase with anyone. It's the key to your funds. If you encounter issues, try clearing your D-App browser cache or updating the app. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.